Professors hate AI writing tools. But is that fair? Writing essays? Yeah, it's about as fun as stepping on a Lego barefoot. Research, citations, plagiarism stress. We've all been there. But what if AI could handle it for you? Fast, accurate, and stress-free? That's exactly what Oreate AI promises. So, does it actually work, or is it just overhyped? Let's find out, and stick around, because there's a special bonus at the end that could save you even more. You won't want to miss this, but before moving forward, click the link in the description to check out Oreate AI for yourself. Now, let's see what makes Oreate AI different, and if it's actually worth using. Oreate AI isn't just another tool. It actually researches and structures your paper for you. Instead of random AI-generated text, it helps you write structured, submission-ready papers. Whether it's an essay or a full research paper, it works like a personal research assistant. Getting started is easy. Just log in with Google or sign up for free. Once you're in, click New Document. Need to style your paper? Upload it, and use the built-in tools. Now let's put Oreate AI to the test. Can it actually write a solid essay? Click Essay Writing, and a pop-up window will guide you through the process in just 3 simple steps. First, type in your essay prompt. Let's say your topic is global warming. You could enter, discuss the causes, effects, and solutions of global warming, focusing on human impact and mitigation strategies. You can also choose a citation style, like covered, APA for social sciences. For this example, let's go with APA and set the length between 12,000 to 20,000 words. Pick your settings and hit Next. Next, Oreate AI builds your outline, organized into clear sections. Need changes? Add, remove, or regenerate sections until it's just right. Once you're happy, click Next. Your final essay is clean, structured, and plagiarism-free. And here's something cool. Oreate AI essays don't get flagged as AI-generated. We tested it and it passed, which is more than I can say about my high school math grades. Haha. So now that your essay is ready, what if you want to refine it even further? With Oreate AI's smart editing, you can highlight any part of your text and instantly refine it, expand, shorten, polish, or even summarize paragraphs, all while keeping the meaning intact. Stuck on something? Just ask. The built-in AI assistant can clarify concepts, explain key points, or even fine-tune your arguments. And if you need research, click Research to explore academic sources, filter by topic, journal, or specific publications, so you get real, credible citations, not just random internet sources. And the best part? Formatting is effortless. With just one click, you can apply templates for essays, research proposals, or journal articles, saving you time and making your work look polished and professional. Once you've gathered your research and formatted your document, now let's make sure your writing flows naturally and is 100% original. That's where the Humanize feature comes in. With just one click, it refines your text, making it sound more natural while keeping your ideas intact. No robotic-sounding AI-generated text, just smooth, authentic writing. All right, here's that special bonus I promised. Use the discount code NINJA10 to $10 off when trying out Oreate AI. Want even more control over your writing? Try the Paraphrase tool. Paste your content, hit the button, and in seconds, get a polished, plagiarism-free version ready to go. And if you're looking for even more powerful AI tools, check out my video on 7 AI tools that will make you rich. It's right here on the screen. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts on Oreate AI. I'd love to hear from you.